Very shortcut.
Hi guys. Say hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog, guys.
You and I.
Say hi, my princess. Should I type?
What goat did you touch? The white one with the black one. Can you touch that? No, na. Let's touch it together. Don't touch
Oo.
Yeah, the white don't have blue line, but the black has blue line. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. But if it's so big like this, that's not. Yeah. Oh, you can. But yeah. Let's go there.
Meh.
Go first.
Meh.
Mommy. My sleeper.
Where you going, girls?
Over there.
Why?
I'm gonna touch it cute.
No, no, no. Here, oh. To the black.
Oh, yeah.
Don't touch. Just only watch. Ah.
Touch that once you go here.
No na.
You told me that I will touch it.
No na, Mile. Na. You're scared? Manungay na pala. Sige ka.
That will not lungay.
Na? Kita mo to? Ang kapanungay sa?
No. What's panungay? Ah! Tita Ice! I wanna hold also the
Oy, hindi na gani. Kita mo nga si Dudu lang na.
do that. You have to take care. No, bro. Just don't do that.
Me!
Mama. Oh, let's go closer to you. Tita, where are we gonna get okra?
Ano oh?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna pull this.
Wala pa bunga ga. Wala pa bunga okra.
So where are we gonna get? Let's get this one.
No, Kigang kagid ni Dadilo.